Hey guys, welcome back to Nanrobot. Today we will show you how to replace charging port. If your charging port is malfunctioning, burned out, or not working properly, this video will help you solve the problem. Of course, you can always chat with our support team if you have any questions. First of all, we use Allen key to remove all the screws on the deck cover. Please remember to keep them carefully. Remove the deck cover and the rubber gasket. Next, we find the yellow connector where the controller is connected to the battery and unplug it. This is followed by the yellow connector that is linked to the charger and charging port. Disconnect it. Next, use Allen key to unscrew the front light cover and take the screws out. Then we can pull out the fisheye light cover. We use an axle nut wrench to unscrew the faulty charging port just like this. Then we can take out the damaged charging port. Take out a new charging port and install it back in. Please be careful to avoid ruining the new charging port. Next, tighten the nut. You need to use an axle nut wrench to make sure it does not come loose. Then install the fisheye cover, and use Allen key to screw back in. After charging port is replaced, we find two yellow connectors, circle to circle, square to square. It will cause a short circuit if your operation is wrong, so please make sure to check the hole position before connecting them. And take these two small yellow connectors and link them exactly like the old one. After it, we should organize the wiring in a manner that prevents extrusion or exposure beyond the battery compartment. Finally, lay the rubber gasket, put the deck cover, and tighten the screws. That's all for today. Hope this video will help you. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you in the next one.